Let's take a look at this savings problem. Suppose you want to have $700,000 for retirement in 30 years. Your account earns 4% interest. How much would you need to deposit in the account each month? Here we go, some key words. Deposit each month. So we're looking for the deposit formula, the savings formula. Because it's a deposit, we will have an account that grows over time. So this is our formula. D for deposit, we have a positive exponent. This one's growing over time. So this 700,000 could either go in D, that accepts a money value, or A. It can't be D. Can you imagine having $700,000 to invest every month? Oh, that would be awesome. No, that's what we want to have in 30 years. So that's A. So we plug in 700,000 for A. And then we have equals D, double open 1 plus the rate, 4% in decimal, 0.4. And we're doing a deposit each month, so N is 12. And we're doing this for 30 years. Minus 1 all over 0.04 over 12. Okay. Let's take a look at the calculator and see what it tells us. So I'm going to work the right side of this out. All of this. And once I get that number computed, then I'm going to divide that number to the other side, and I'm going to do 700,000 divided by whatever that number is. That's the plan. So we have two open parentheses, then 1 plus 0.04 divided by 12. Now, some people need an extra set of parentheses around the 0.04 divided by 12. So if you get problems and you can't figure them out, try that. Just like I have here down in the denominator. Extra parentheses around that 0.04 over 12. Here I need them to keep it all in the denominator. All right, so we're at this parenthesis. And then the exponent button. Open parenthesis, 12 times 30. Close parenthesis, minus 1. Close parenthesis, divided by, and then open parenthesis, 0.04 divided by 12, and final close parenthesis. Lots of keystrokes. Hopefully you are getting consistent with them. All right, so this number on the right, it's D times 694-ish. And I need to divide that into the 700,000 to solve for D. So I'm going to take 700,000 and divide by that previous value, which is stored in the answer button. If you need to take that value and store it somewhere, you can. You could also take that value, show you something different this time, take that value and flip it, and then multiply it to the other side. So instead of dividing by it to the other side, multiply by its reciprocal. So many different ways to work this problem out. You just need to know your calculator well enough that you're comfortable with some of these steps. Well, all of the steps for your calculator. So we end up with 1,008, boy, that'd be nice, and 57 cents. So we have D. Let me get the pen working. There we go. D equals 1,008.57. That would be the monthly deposit. After 30 years at 4% compounded monthly, we would have $700,000 in our account. So go ahead and work out the right side as you pause the video and see what you would get. So what you should get is $667.70. All right, I hope this helps.